Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix playback speed not working on YouTube. The first thing to try is disabling all browser extensions. To do this, open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner, then hover over Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Here you will see a list of all installed extensions. Turn off each extension one by one. After disabling each extension, open YouTube and check if the playback speed option has returned. If disabling extensions does not solve the issue, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To clear them, open your browser settings. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cookies and Cached Files, then click Clear Data. After doing this, refresh YouTube and check if the playback speed option is now working. If the problem still persists, try opening YouTube in a different browser. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser you are using. For example, if you usually use Chrome, try opening YouTube in Microsoft Edge or Firefox. This will help determine if the problem is with your browser or your device. Open YouTube in the new browser and check the playback speed menu. Following these steps should help you fix the playback speed issue on YouTube. Thanks for watching.